Hello and welcome to a new series. I know I need a new series like a hole in the head, but this one's actually going to be a positive change. I want to record some videos shouting out for good customer service from companies that are definitely not soliciting me because I have no followers. So I have 3 already planned. Today's will be the one on Hobby Lobby. I'm also going to talk a little bit later on about the Clorox company and also Mimic, who's my auto and home insurer. But today we will talk about the awesomeness of Hobby Lobby. And aren't you guys glad to be the first ones? Yeah, you can tell I'm in a student study room, right? Right. The lighting in here is wonderful. Anyway, just in telling you a story, so I guess that don't matter. And one of these days I'll invest in getting a much better phone holder. Anyway, I digress. The Hobby Lobby story starts with me going down with Dan to a city that's sort of south of Grand Rapids, Michigan. He had to go for a denture thing, and he's like, you know, you can drive the truck, which was a dually, across the road and go to a cafe, but I'd rather you not. So I was like, well, there's a Hobby Lobby 2 doors down, and it was a huge Hobby Lobby. I think they actually bought out, like, the Circuit City or whatever that was next to them. So, like, picture 2 mega stores jammed together. So I'm like, I can just go over there, and I'm a woman, I can shop for hours, no worries. So I go over to the Hobby Lobby, and I make my way through, and I make my way through, and make my way through. There's 10,000 things, it's a Hobby Lobby. I got Dan a little metal guitar, which he still hasn't assembled, and I got myself this cross stitch kit, and it was on clearance, but I was like, it's one of the few ones I actually like the pattern. It was a unicorn, kind of like the unicorn tapestries. So I decided to buy it. What the heck? I can figure this out, right? So I get home and I do the kit, and the kit is good, except halfway through I run out of thread. Now, I do tend to use a lot of thread, and sometimes I break thread, and everyone's human, but it was bad, and if I can get a photo uploaded in here with some editing, I will. But basically, the top half of it was done and the rest wasn't, so I was like, well, this is bogus. So, went online, I'm like, alright, well, the brand is Artiste. Is there any way I can figure out what their colors equal to? Because their colors are definitely not equivalent to DMC. So I go online for a while, and I look, and I look, and I look, and I look. And the only thing I can find are people saying, don't buy these kits from Hobby Lobby because they're always understocked. And the brand is Hobby Lobby's, like, personal brand. So you're not going to be able to find a color match. One nice person did try to attempt to do a color match scheme, but it wasn't for anything that I was looking for. So I was like, okay, fine. I wrote Hobby Lobby, and I was like, I can't find anywhere to buy this thread. And the only thread I can find of yours to buy are the big packets that have like 20 or 30 in them, and I can't tell if they'll match either. And I'm halfway through this project. I sent them a picture. And is there any way I could just buy more of this thread? Because I want to make it match and I want to have it done. And so they're like, all right, you know, can you send us proof of what the kit number is and proof of, you know, where you bought it? Because I was like, I can't go back here easily. It's over an hour drive. And some other info, like your name and address. And after a few back and forths, they're like, okay, we'll mail you some more thread. You know, how much do you need? And I'm like, I'm just going to tell them a lot. You know, worst case scenario, we end up with more, which has not happened. And they said, okay, we'll send you some. And so I waited, and actually, in not very long while, I got a manila envelope full of thread. And the best thing was, it was actually DMC thread, so I could finish the project now that I knew what the color mappings were. Originally, that was not the case. So they sent me a bunch of DMC thread, and they also had a little handwritten note in there, which if I was home I would show you, but I think I threw it out. It just said something nice like, you know, good luck on completing your project. And I was like, thank you so much for sending me some more thread. They sent me enough to actually finish the thing, because Bob the Unicorn is finished, and I will make him a pillow soon. But it was really, really, really sweet, the fact that they handled that and sent me the thread and had it be, like, DMC thread and not, you know, another copy of the kit, because that was the other thing. I was like, I don't know what else to do. You can either send me another kit or find some thread and pull it off the line, or I don't know. So, kudos to Hobby Lobby. I was totally able to finish my project, and you guys do have great customer service, so if anybody ever has a problem with one of their cross-stitch kits, the Artiste brand, I highly recommend that you contact them, because they actually do try to make things right. So, alright, that's my story for Monday. Talk to you later. Bye.